Hello guys, what's up? What's going on? So I received a comment getting a D3D11 compatibility error after trying everything. Bro, please help me. Let me clarify. So capability issues, as many as they are often solved by installing DirectX runtime because it is extensively used for capability reasons. Well, let's discuss a few other reasons and then at the end I'll guide you on where you can get DirectX runtime. The first major reason is runtime, but after that, if we discuss, might be it's a Windows update issue. So make sure update your Windows to the latest versions. Mostly it solves the issues if it's not working with DirectX runtime. Probably that's the major reason, but if you try. So that's the second major method or step you can say. And another one, mostly people just update their graphic drivers, but what happens if we go here into the device manager? Actually, Windows updates provide you one step behind the latest version. So what I'm gonna recommend you, go through website. Now I'm using NVIDIA. It's simple. Simply you need to go on NVIDIA website and just search for NVIDIA drivers, and for the specific, like you are using the model, and download the latest version and update it. And sometimes if you have 2-3 times, if you update your drivers through website or through Windows update, so what happen, just go here. Sometimes you'll get here to 2 or 3 versions with different dates. So make sure choose the latest version according to the date. So whenever you get 2-3 drivers, you will probably get here the date and release date actually. And so you need to select the latest version and then click on next. This will solve your issue. Now the lastly, as I said, runtime. So it's not a big issue. Simply you need to go on Google and search here DirectX runtime. It will redirect you on the Google, Microsoft official website, but make sure always try to use the Google if you are watching my videos, because Google have more accuracy. I think so, according to my experience. I don't know about, might be Bing is good as well because I don't use Bing etc. So anyways, simply you need to click here to download. So it will provide you a launcher file. When you launch it, it will start scanning and then just accept the agreement, click on next, uncheck install the Bing bar. It's a extra option. So uncheck this and click on next. So it will scan all the versions from version 2000, I guess 5 or 4 to 2023. All the versions are included in this. Make sure don't disconnect your internet, and if you have already installed, it will show you DirectX setup has determined that newer or equivalent version of DirectX has been installed already. No installation is necessary. So this will solve your issue 100%. If you have any question or any suggestion, please let me know in the comment section. Until then, just take yourself and your family. Have a good day. Bye bye.